Now, this specific tutorial is for people who already have an actual active plan. We have an actual current free plan, but still going to be showing you the actual process to check your actual token usage directly into the Claude AI, just in case you wanted to save a little bit of the token and you don't want to just paint this just right in the first day. So to make sure we wanted to focus directly inside here, what you wanted to do is to check out the actual web and the desktop application no limits. So when you open your Cloudy desktop or your web browser, you want to navigate directly into the bottom left hand corner and click directly into the profile avatar, which in this case is going to be appearing directly inside here. Then I can focus directly into my settings from the pop-up menu and click directly into the dedicated usage that we currently have directly inside here. So if you don't see this, you can focus directly into the element that has directly into your account. Usually it could be appearing directly inside here, and if you have an actual active plan or an actual active payment, you focus directly into the actual billing. So you can check out that here it should be appearing the actual dedicated usage stuff directly into the section here. So review the real-time usage meters. You will see two progress bar. Your rolling, for example, meters, you go for the 5-hour session limit and the overall weekly plan allowance that usually we all currently have into an actual free plan available. If you're a developer using the newly launched Cloud Code tool or the integrated VS Code ecosystem, you want to chase the token even faster by focusing directly into your actual status or the usage. For example, if I do have that available, I focus directly inside here and I go for status. Or I can focus for usage or even cost, for example, right? So when you hit usage or cost, pay close attention to the cache read lines, because the Cloudy utilizes smart prompts coaching to save you money and computer power. If the agents read data from the active cache layer, those tokens cost significantly less and don't drain your main session limits near as fast. So a pro tip that I can give you for the actual clear context is that every time you send an actual new message to the chat thread, the Cloudy rereads the entire conversation history from the very beginning, and if you keep asking all related questions in a single long thread, you are paying massive token tax into every single tone. So you might want to take that in mind if you wanted to check out, of course, all the actual Cloud extensions. And just in case you have any questions, you can always go straight directly into the Cloud usage. And for example, here I have the actual Claude AI console that can be helping you to know a little bit more about your account. Just get directly into your element that says continue with the Google, use the actual account you wanted to check out for the actual tokens. It will be signing you in, it will be showing you the actual billing information and the actual usage of all the tokens, and you're going to be actually good to go. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know once again in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. And I might be telling you that if you see something like this into your screen, that means that you have run out of credits. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can see you well next time.